Do you know how to solve this equation? It's simpler than you think. Let's take a look. The first issue we see is that x is clearly not an integer because 5 to the power of 1 is 5 and 5 to the power of 2 is 25. So clearly x is between 1 and 2 because 10 is between 5 and 25. Now, 5 to the power of x is an exponential. An exponential looks like this. And there are inverse functions to exponentials. They're known as logs. Logs are inverse of exponential functions depending on what the base number is. Remember, 5 to the power of x, this number is known as the base. So, the inverse of 5 to the power of is log base 5. Log base 5 cancels 5 to the power of. And we would be left with x equals log base 5 of 10. Which, if you type into any calculator, is about 1.43. And you guys can try in your calculator. 5 to the power of 1.43 will take you very close to 10. Nice. Follow me for more content like this.